rule number 8 has to do with joint placement, preferred angles, and orientations. And this is where good models go bad. And really, this should be rule number 2, because rule number 1 is edge loops. Rule number 2 really should be joint placement, because you want to have this done before anything else. And that is what we already know. We want to make sure that your joints line up with your edge loops. All right, and make sure those are there. You want to make sure that your joint orientations are good. Just want to make sure. Hold down D to move a joint without moving its child. There we go. Nice. Nice, beautiful. Okay, so then you want to also make sure that your axes are correct. So if I go to component mode, turn on the question mark, right, that's going to show me my axes. You'll make sure your X's are down the bone, Y's are up the joint, and all the Z's, important, all the Z's are lined up. Now mine is probably a little off because I wiggled stuff just then. Of course, we know to go to skeleton, orient joint. We'll just use the default. That does my X's. If I look here, I can make sure my Y's are up and my Z's are there. And you can rotate them with discrete on. I don't have discrete on right now, to make sure they're all rotated correctly. Okay. If you don't have any of this before you skin, oh, that's sad. Very sad. So let me grab my skeleton, my skin, and I will go to bind skin, just a smooth bind. I'm going to do this really quick and dirty. Okay, so you can look at the Medusa rig. There's some issues with where its joints are, so they don't line up very well, whereas this isn't too bad. Okay, so joint placement, joint orientation. Remember, there is the possibility to go in, select the skin, under skin, edit smooth skin, move skin joints tool. You can do that. You can adjust these. Not too big, because it's going to adjust your rotational axes. Just in one axis, you can wiggle it a little bit. Okay, and that can help tweak it. If you have to do some major changes, you will have to re-skin. So get it done correctly first before you skin.